What do you want?
Don't push that button, she told him in their living room. This was the 5th gunmetal gray box they had gotten in the mail. They didn't sign up for one. He held the box in his right palm and rested his left thumb on the blue button. This is the 5th one, he said. It's a sign. No, it means that someone made a mistake. It's not ours. He looked at her. Please? She shook her head. No, and that's final. She walked back to the bedroom. He shook his head. No, it's not final. He pressed the blue button. That night in bed, he had a dream. He dreamed he was floating on his back in the ocean, bouncing gently up and down and up. Then from the blue and red and purple sky came a gray jellyfish of black blades and wires. A growl like heavy gears grinding against and into something soft. He woke up before he could scream. In the morning, the box was gone. They must have come in the night. He had heard they did that. No one would ever know if it was true or not. Honey, I'm beautiful, she said as she walked into the dim living room. She told the truth. He looked at her, smiled, and her beautiful lips curled into a disgusted snarl. She screamed. She passed out. He touched his face and felt pockmarks. He pushed his forefinger 2 inches into his cheek, then his thumb 6 inches into his head. He looked at his fingers and saw wet yellow paste. No. What? No mirrors in the living room, so he wobbled swiftly, to the bedroom and fainted when he saw his reflection in the full-length mirror next to the dresser. A yellow block of cheese for a head, a larger yellow block of cheese for a body, and thin white cheese sticks for legs.